Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, uh, welcome back to my channel. My name is Salman Ali Muzaki, and now I can show you. I can show you this topology for Superlab 1. Okay, and this is topology. Okay, in the Superlab 1, and check it out. Okay, and step 1, we can okay, step 1, we can tap the button. This is switch 3. Okay, and enter. Okay, so next we can enable and configure terminal. Okay, and next we can tick the do show run again. Okay, we can do show run and enter, and this, like this, is progress to topology, and you can follow this step by step. Okay, and stay and watching. Okay, then switch this, and an is the enable, and config is the configuration configure terminal. Okay, and this is current of this, and fast Ethernet is 0/1 and more. This is for interface fast Ethernet 1 0/1 more to more again, more to the 24. Okay, 0/24 0/24, and more we can switch, and we can tick the do show VLAN. Okay, and okay, enter. Okay, and this is do show VLAN, and this port status for active for 30, IDN VLAN 30 active, and 40 active IDN VLAN, and okay, and sorry, this is my note. Okay, and we can next to router 1. Okay, we can next the router 1. Okay, and router 1. Okay, this is I'm sorry. Okay, router 1. Okay, and this, in the router 1 you can more for step to enable, okay, configure terminal, and you can tick the do show run, okay, do show run, okay, and more for this is okay, fast Ethernet is this IP address is 11, okay, 11.11.11.11.1 space to 255.255.255.0, and we can more to this interface 0/0, okay. Interface Ethernet is 1/0 and more, okay, and 20 and okay, 12, okay. For more we can okay, and step 3 we can router 3, okay. We can check the router 3 and more again, enable configure terminal, okay, and this is a configure terminal, and you can do show run, tick the do show run, okay, and more, and this, okay, IP address is 34, okay, 34.34.3.255.255.255.0, and interface Ethernet is 1/0, and you to fast Ethernet, okay, fast, okay, and more, and step 4 we can check the router 2, okay, we can router 2, okay, this the router 2, okay, and enter, okay, enable and configure terminal, and this, okay, and do show run, do show run, okay, and more we can see the fast Ethernet 0/0, okay, and this interface serial and interface Ethernet 5/0 and more, okay, and we can next to router 1, okay, the router 1, okay, in router 1 you can do show, you can tick the do show run, okay, do show run, do show run, okay, and more, wow, and this is interface 0/0, and next to the, okay, network area is no 0 and fast Ethernet to 1/0 to fast Ethernet 6/0. Okay, and we can next to switch 4. Okay, switch 4. Okay, and this is the switch 4. Okay, and we can enter and enable. Okay, and don't forget to configure terminal, and we can take the do show VLAN. Okay, do show I'm sorry, and do show VLAN. Okay, and this is the we can to active and we can the active for this this configuration in switch 4. Okay, and to show VLAN, and we can next to switch 2. Okay, we can not the switch 2. Okay, switch 2. Okay, and this don't forget enter, enable, configure terminal, and and we can do show VLAN, do show VLAN. Okay, do show VLAN and do show run. Do show VLAN. Okay, and this is the we can active to IDN VLAN 10 to IDN VLAN 20 and more. Okay, we can do show VLAN and do show run. Okay, we can do show run. Okay, for this is interface 0/1 and more to the 0/24. Okay, and more, and we can next to sorry. Okay, this is the my and okay, I'm sorry, we could and okay, and we can check to the switch 2 is okay, I'm sorry, I forget. Okay, and do show run, and we can to next to switch 4. Okay, and more. Okay, and switch 4 we can do show run. do show run. Okay, and this we can interface to 0/1 more to the 0/24, and the next is we can do next to MLS1. Okay, in this nodes we can MLS1. Okay, and this is we can enter and enable and configure terminal. Okay, and we can do show VLAN, tick do show VLAN. Okay, that's more is we can active to 5T or 5T and 60. Okay, can more. Okay, in this and next we can do show run, do show run. Okay, and this is for more. Okay, and interface to flash ethernet this 0 in before 0/1 more for the okay for 0/2, and we can next to the this is MLS1 show run, and do show run, do show VLAN. We can do show VLAN, do show run, and we can next to the for switch 1. Okay, and we can do next to switch 1. Okay, and switch 1 is the okay, in the switch 1 we can enable and configure terminal. Okay, and configure terminal, and we show VLAN, do show VLAN. Okay, that's the VLAN, and active to more. Okay, do show VLAN and do show run. We can take the do show run. Okay, more. Okay, and we can next to ping. Okay, we can next to ping. Okay, ping to server to server. Okay, this like this, and we can successful. Okay, and the true is ping this. Okay, ping this to this. Okay, and successful, and ping 3 is the okay, this is ping for I'm sorry, Okay, for this to this and successful, and we can next to the ping to okay this for this okay and the okay and successful, and next to we can ping the and this the router. Okay in this for okay this for this and successful, and okay we can ping to router 2 and router 1, ping router 2 router 1. Okay and successful, and the router 1 to router okay this is the router 1 to router this okay and success, and router 2 for router okay we can ping the last is router okay by router and successful, and thanks for your attention, thanks for watching, and this is the progress for Superlab 1. okay and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.